Hi everyone, I'm Julia Walker, a North Carolina estate planning attorney, here to help you understand why it is important to plan for your life and legacy. A thought that goes through a lot of people's minds when they start diving into estate planning is, do I have enough assets for a trust? Or, I don't have a large estate, do I still need a trust? So let's talk about it. When I say trust, I mean a revocable living trust. Many people have a preconceived notion that only the wealthy need a trust. You've probably heard people say, or maybe you even think, that trusts are only for the rich or only if you have a net worth of a certain amount or more. Some attorneys and advisors believe that the amount of your net worth is a determining factor as to whether you need a trust, and that amount can differ a lot between who you talk to. And some attorneys and advisors preach that everyone should have a trust. I do not take either of those positions. Instead, I want to educate you about the difference between a will and a trust. That way, you can choose a will plan or trust plan not based on an arbitrary net worth number, but instead by being educated about your options and what your loved ones will experience when you choose one plan over the other. I've said it before, the reality of estate planning is that it is not really about you. Estate planning is more about the people you love most and the experience they go through when you pass away. Are there certain situations where I think a trust is a better option? Yes, and I'll advise on that. But my advisement will be based more around the different type of assets you own and your goals for the quality of the experience you're leaving behind for your loved ones. If you only have a will, your family will have to go through the probate court process, which will take some time, and your will also becomes public record. If you utilize a trust and everything is funded properly, your family can avoid probate, that court process, meaning your affairs can be taken care of without court oversight and be kept private. Going through the ins and outs of how a will works versus how a trust works and how each one plays out for your particular situation is the best way to determine whether a trust is right for you. I think the decision should be less about how much you own, but more about how easy you want to make it on your family after you're gone. I hope that my weekly videos educate you about different estate planning options and what you need to think about when creating your own estate plan so that ultimately you're making decisions that are best for you and your family, whether it is a will plan or a trust plan. That's it for today. I hope you liked this video and found it helpful. Please share with anyone you think needs to hear it. Again, I'm Julia Walker, a North Carolina estate planning attorney, here to help you understand why it is important to plan for your life and legacy. Have a great day.